For to connect is to affirm, and to affirm to connect. Myconnect is an interspecies connector that emerged as an aspiration to enable human beings to transgress their own species. It is coming from the lineage of various projects that research the phenomenology of connections in the post-humanist context, where planet Earth is a vast and complex interconnected system, and human beings act as one of many elements in the ecosystem. The following projects deconstruct the relationships of Earth's various living systems. The ecosystem of the project 7K New Life Form researches connections of nanotechnology and biological life on microscopic level. Microphone Emergence, a biohacked music box, explores the possibilities of technobiological connections through sonification of mushrooms. Microphone Unison took the hypothesis of technobiological connections further by sonificating the three microbiomes of its creators in unison, thus making the three fungal bodies of the artist sound as one biological entity. With Myconnect, connections entered a new region of immersive experience by connecting the nervous system of a human being to the fungal network, the mycelium, the largest organism on Earth that permeates our planet's environment. In Myconnect's capsule, nervous system of a person and fungal mycelium are plugged into a biofeedback loop. By entering the capsule, a person is equipped with a heartbeat sensor, headphones, and vibrational motors that are placed on various parts of the body. The heartbeat of a person sets off the system in motion. The signal travels to the mycelium, where it is modulated in real time. The modulated signal then returns to the human body by means of vibrations, sound, and light. These overwhelming stimuli that affect the nervous system cause an alteration of the heartbeat. With the altered heartbeat rates, a new loop begins and a circle is closed. Symbiosis of the signal begins. Myconnect is thus envisioned as a symbiotic interspecies connector that questions the anthropocentric divisions between humans, nature, and technology.